Hey everybody, it's Cameron of SpeedTech Performance. We are here at SEMA 2025 and you're watching Cruising USA, and today I want to show you our display, and what I'm standing in front of is a 1967 Camaro that is a little bit different because here at SEMA usually you see some nice, pretty, shiny things, and we're showing a half-built car. And the reason why we want to do that is to really show off the chassis that we offer. Now this here is basically our extreme front end that we've been known for 10 to 15 years. We've had this product out, and it's a geometry setup that we have. It's a full white page approach, and it's performance based. So on the front of these first gen Camaros, we're actually fitting a 315 wide tire. It's tucked behind our inner fender, so you can't really see that, but it's back there, I promise. And you get over 30 degrees of steering with that. So that's kind of our front end. And when I say it's a full Weld-In chassis, one thing I want to point out is it still has a dropout subframe. So all of your engine work, when you're building, when you're repairing, when you're doing anything like that, you don't have to worry about going from the shiny side. You can leave that alone and go ahead and drop out your subframe and do all the things you have to do to it. So let me show you back here what we're doing. So when I say it's a Weld-In subframe, I mean that. Literally you cut rocker to rocker from the firewall back through the trunk, completely out, and you weld in our whole frame structure. And with that is our integrated independent rear suspension system. Now, you would have seen this last year on our channel. We featured this with our Chevelle frame. So if you haven't seen that, go back and watch that episode as well. But with this here, it's our independent rear with our cantilever setup. This system's about 1,200 horsepower is what this one's rated for. And as you're seeing here, we've got all the sheet metal and everything that you could need. The replacement floor, that's our product as well. It includes a large tunnel, so it can fit a modern transmission, old school transmission, whatever you want, and everything you need. And a lot of questions that people ask are, one, on a convertible, can I keep my top? Yes, you can. And two, what about my back seat? You can still keep your back seat with this setup as well. The one that we're showing is a Camaro, but I also want to mention that we have this exact same setup for 64 to a 70 Mustang. So we're basically giving the Mustang its first dropout subframe chassis. That has never existed. No other competitors have that, as well as we have the 68 to 70 Mopar B-Body with this same setup.